Let vector u is equal to minus 2i plus 4j. Vector v is 3i plus 2j plus 5k. We are going to find the cross product of u times u cross with v cross with u, and v cross with v itself. সুপ্রভাত, শুভ দিন, কেমন আছেন আপনারা? সব ভালো তো? আসসালামু আলাইকুম, নমস্কার। যেখান থেকে আপনারা দেখছেন, কোথার থেকে আমাকে জানাবেন পরে। কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকলে নির্দ্বিধায় করবেন। If you have any question, please shoot a comment to me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so we are going to solve this problem. So the first one is u cross v, cross product of vector u and v. This is given by, we will find the determinant I, j, k, and for u it is minus 2, 4 and 0, and for v it is 3, 2 and 5. Basically I'm writing the I, j and k component of each vector. The second line is for u, the third line is for the vector v. So how do I do this? How to find the determinant? So I will draw a line through, horizontal line through I, that is I eliminate the first row, and a vertical line through I, that is I eliminate the first column. First row and first column is gone. So now I am left with first row, first column gone. So second row, second column, and third row, third column. This is the ith component. Okay, minus, so I'm doing the determinant calculation, minus, okay, now I'll draw a line through the first row, horizontal line, and the vertical line through second column. So the first row is gone, second column is gone, so I am left with minus 2, 3 and 0, 5, and this is for j component. And for the kth component, okay, it is a plus sign, first row, third column, and what am I left with? Minus 2, 4 and 3, 2. Okay, so now I need to simplify. So u cross v then equal to 4 times 5 is 20, minus 0 times 2, 4 times 3 is this 2, and then this 2, minus 0 times 2 is 0. Okay, that is the ith component. Similarly, it's actually a minus, so let me make it minus. Okay, for the jth component it is so j is this and this, so minus 2 times 5 plus 3 times 0, which is 0 itself. 3 times 0 is 0 itself. Okay, and this is the jth component. I forgot to write a k here. And for the kth component, it is plus minus 2 times 2 and 3 times 4, minus 2 multiplied by 2, then minus 3 multiplied by 4. Is the kth component. Okay, so yep. Okay, so now u cross v I will simplify, is equal to 20 minus 0 is 20i, minus 10 makes it a plus. Okay, plus 2 times 5 is 10j, and then plus this is plus k is minus 4 minus 12, that is minus 16k, Minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. Both are negative, so I add them. So the final answer is U cross V is 20I plus 10J minus 16K. That's our final answer, okay, for U cross V. Okay. Next, we are supposed to do any questions so far. So basically, I am finding the determinant I, J, K and the X, Y, J component or X, Y, Z component of vector V and vector U. Okay, vector U is written at the top and then vector V is below it. Then you will do pairwise, like first row, first column gone. You're left with the ith component. So first row, first column gone means from the determinant is you're left with 4, 0 and 2, 5. Next is negative, first row and second column gone, so you're left with minus 2, 3 and 0, 5. Okay. And for the third one, you have first row and third column gone. So minus 2, 2 and 3, 4. Okay. And then you do the cross multiplication and you get your answer. The next part is for V cross U. So V cross U. Okay. So part B. Let me change the color of the ink. So next one is part B is V cross U. Okay. So again, determinant I, J and K. Since it is V cross U, first I will write the components of V in the second line. Again, it is a determinant, which is, if you look at vector V, is 3, 2 and 5. 3, 2 and 5. And for vector U, next line is minus 2, 4 and 0. Minus 2, 4 and 0. Now again, just like before, find the determinants. Okay, so first row, first column is gone. So we have inside the determinant 2, 5, 4, 0. Okay, for component I. Component J is negative, and you have first row, second column gone. So you have 3, minus 2 and 5, 0 for K. I'm sorry, it should be J. Pardon me. It should be J. And for K, it is positive plus first row, third column gone. So it is 3, 2, minus 2, 4. That is the kth component. So again, finding the determinant, 2 times 0 is 0 minus, so it is 0 minus 20I minus 3 times 0 is 0. 2 minuses will make it plus. 2 times 5 is 10. Because minus 2 times 5 is minus 10 and it's negative, minus minus is plus 10. Okay. That is the jth component. And for the kth, you write 3 times 4 is 12. Again, 2 minuses will make it 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 negative sign makes it positive, is K. Okay. So that will simplify to 0 minus 20 is minus 20I minus 10J, and 12 plus 4 is 16K. So that's your final answer. Notice U cross V, which we did before, was 20I plus 10J minus 16K, and just the opposite, the negative sign. So if you put negative in U cross V, it becomes minus 20V minus 10J and plus 16K. So what I'm trying to say, U cross V and V cross U are related to each other. V cross U is same as U cross V, but with a negative sign in front of U cross V. ওকে, সোফা সো গুড, ঠিক আছে তো, সবাই বুঝতে পারছেন তো? নাহলে আমি প্রশ্ন করুন কমেন্টে, আমি উত্তর দেব। ওকে, নাও লেটস মুভ টু দ্য লাস্ট ওয়ান, উইচ ইজ ভি ক্রস ভি। ওকে, ভি ক্রস ভি, ভি ক্রস ভি। Okay, so again determinant I, J, K, but you will write the same V component again and again first, second line and the third line. Okay, so this will be again eliminating the first row and first column is 2 5 2 5 I minus first row and second column is 3 5 and 3 5, that is K component, plus first row third column is 3 2 and 3 2 J. So this will be easy. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 2 times 5 is 10. You are doing cross multiplication. 2 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 5. 10 minus 10I plus, I'm sorry, minus, let me erase that. Okay, minus 3 times 5 is 15, minus 15 J. I did a mistake here. I have to correct it. This is this is J, and let me erase this also. Okay, and then I go back here. This is the jth component and this is the kth component. Okay, and plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 6K. So basically it is 0I minus 0J plus 0K, or basically V cross V is 0, which makes sense because same vector cross multiplied with itself is 0. We all know that. So I'll stop here today. If you have any question, comment, please do not hesitate to write me a comment. I'll get back to each one of your comments individually. I'll do it within a day, promise. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, and if you like this video, share with your friends. You know, when you give me a thumbs up, it really motivates me to work harder. Please share my video with your friends if you like it. If you like this video, again, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my video or my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And please do not forget to watch me tomorrow. So also please, also hit the notify bell button, which will notify you every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. ধন্যবাদ, শুক্রিয়া, যেখান থেকে আপনারা দেখুন। যদি আপনাদের কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে বিনা দ্বিধায় করুন। যদি এটা আপনারা বুঝতে পারেন তো খুব ভালো। ইনশাআল্লাহ আবার দেখা হবে। I will see you guys tomorrow with another new video. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice